Hello, Ed Hoffman, former Chief Knowledge Officer for NASA, in an interview with the UK Major Projects Authority, talked about the sound of success. He said, high performance teams and organisations have very active conversations. The sound of success is people talking, arguing, laughing, who are engaging, walking around, opening doors, talking with each other. The lack of this is usually the biggest indicator we are increasing the likelihood of failure. On your next project, encourage dialogue and speaking with each other. During the implementation, walk, talk, engage and debate. Don't be afraid to disagree with someone, but try to avoid contradiction. Issues in projects are very rarely binary, and the outcome of a yes-no argument is seldom win-win. Remember the words of Ed Hoffman of NASA. High-performance teams and organisations have very active conversations. I thank you for watching.